So let's get started with our first jot by opening up the calculator. We look at the buttons on the left hand side and we see they have different functions. Let's start with the text box. When you click on it, you see it leaves with this error saying you must click and drag. So let's click and drag and bring it onto our page. Now we can type in our function of what we want to call it. Now this is just a simple text box. Now let's add some function boxes. This is just easily done by double clicking on the page and just entering the function. In this case, let's go a equals 10, b equals 15, and then let's do a fancy function c. With c, we'll go a is equal to the square root by using shift 6. This time we'll put 2, and then we can put a times b in there. So we get a function that actually works. The power of Mathjot is the fact that we can have these jots that are pre-made calculations. So let's search the volume of a cylinder and place it into our jot package. All you need to do is click, search, and drag it in, as you can see here. Another really powerful function of Mathjot is the fact that we have units. So let's add some units in there, and you can see how the units flow through our system. So by putting units into the correct value, you can see that we've got millimeters squared. Now there is a couple of decimal places there that we don't want, but we will reduce them later. Another way that you can also insert text boxes is by using the letter T on your keyboard. So instead of having to click and drag, you can just press T to create a text box. And this allows you to create a multi-size text box that is bigger than the text box you can see. And you can move it back into place to put it where you need it. This allows you your first jot with both text boxes and functions.